2002 Ford Explorer. We put a transmission inside this here, and he had a bad transmission, so he got another transmission and had us to put it in again, and we're having another problem. Now I know the bad transmission was bad. The second one was bad. His first one was bad, originally one, and then the one he got from the junkyard was bad, and now this one I have to prove is bad because there's an issue that's going on here. So what we got here, everything is hooked up. Billy, here, take that, and what you gotta do is
hold on to it till I tell you I got it.
Okay.
Put a button on the side.
Video. Put it on the
Okay, wait a minute. Can't see it.
Overdrive light or whatever.
Right. Let me get this recording first. Hey, you got it recording, don't you?
First of all, the thing you want to do, start it up. Don't do that first. Yeah, it's on there. So, listen. Here.
Start it up and point it on the overdrive.
See, yeah, you put it on the dash. Make sure that overdrive light, it's not flashing. Okay, start it up. Overdrive light not flashing?
No.
Okay, make sure you got that on there. Now, when you put it in gear, hold the brake.
Right.
That's when the overdrive lights start to flash, I believe.
No, it's flashing now.
It's flashing?
Yeah, it started flashing.
Even without putting it in gear?
Yep.
Alright, so the overdrive light is flashing. And what code do you get? You get a pressure control solenoid C. Okay, so we got the overdrive light is flashing, see? Okay, and you in drive, and the code is P070, pressure control, so C, performance or stuck off. And this happened even though you are not moving. Did you clear that code?
Yeah.
Okay, turn the ignition on. Okay, turn it on. And press that clear. Raise yourself. Okay. Now start it back up. Okay, there's nothing happening. Let's see what happened. Just don't move. Don't bother it. Okay, it's starting to flash even though we're not moving. And let's see what that code come back. Just look at it. Nope, just don't turn it off. Look at it again. Let's see what it says. What came up.
Turn it off, turn it back on.
So that code came right back up, even though we just started up and wasn't moving. So now we're going to do something. Make sure the computer is not the one malfunctioning. I'm going to just stick another solenoid pack on there, and we're going to see after sitting here if that overdrive light starts flashing again. All right, we're back at it again, and we did something. I'll show you. Go ahead and start it, Billy. Let's hold on just a minute. See if this overdrive light come on. Okay, we're sitting here and so far the overdrive light is not flashing. Still not flashing. Okay, go ahead and put it on the brake, Billy, and put it in reverse. In reverse, still nothing flashing. Put it back in park. Okay, nothing is flashing. And we've been sitting here. Right away it came on before. Now, what do we do differently? I'll show you. Alright, let me get down because I got to climb down this ladder. We're on the lift here. All right. So what we did here, only thing we did was take another solenoid pack, and we plugged into the solenoid pack here, and make sure it was grounded. But still, we plugged into one on the outside, so the solenoid pack on the inside is here. So this is letting me know that the computer is not malfunctioning, because when it reads this solenoid pack on the outside, it's not throwing that code. So it's either going to be a problem with the solenoid pack that's inside, or something wrong with this transmission. Okay, so it can't be that. Okay, so now we're going to do something with this one here. Maybe try the solenoid pack or change it. Then we will proceed to take the transmission out if we have to. But at least we know where we're going. All right. Again, this is a 2002 Ford Focus. And
No, it's Explorer.
oh no, Ford Explorer, right. Right here. All right, so we know what to do. Let's get done.